Hey y'all, how's it going today? Hope everything's going well. Welcome to Riverside Wooden Farm. I was wondering, have you ever wondered how to pack up a Timberking 2020? Well, today we're going to show you just how to do it. We're going to pack this jugger up ready for transportation. And I'm not going down the road or anything with it, but it'll be road ready when this thing is packed up. I'm going to get this thing ready and move it out of this sawmill shed so we can get a good thorough cleaning under here. Having a lot of build up, sawdust, wood chips, bark, pieces of wood, all that mess. And it's stopping my log stops from going all the way down without jacking the mill up sideways and all that fun stuff. I haven't been fortunate enough yet to get a concrete slab in here to put it on there. That is going to be a big, huge upgrade, and be able to every evening or after every few logs get the blower and just blow it off to the side. That's going to be great. But anyhow, tag along and we'll show you how to pack this baby up. All right, first things first. Crank your mill up. You see these pins right here. It's a bolts in. Get these lined up and snug these down. Next thing you're going to do after you got those tightened up, assure that you have your mill head all the way down your cutting head. And that takes the slack off of your lifting chains right here. Takes all the slack off of them, all the weight off of them rather. And your chains down here keeps your mill head low profile. I guess lower center of gravity. That's what it does. Puts it all the way down. Well, now that we have that down, we will lift the log loaders up. And this one has the pin in it. You would remove that pin, and it allows this lifting arm to fold all the way back onto itself, onto the mill. This one right here does not have the pin. I guess it fell out. I need to get another one. But Mason, if you could, lift that arm up and let's get it folded up. Oh, come on now. Oh, here we go. Grab it. Okay, there we go. Get that folded up. Don't slam it. Don't just drop it, because it does go on to the cutting deck right there. Well, there you go. It's got enough slack to sit beside it. And then now we have to lift this arm up right here. First, we're going to have to pull this pin, and that goes through, and then what that does is allows this arm to be slid into there. Then we'll secure that. We'll pick that up and secure that. There you go. Pull that pin, Mason. That's good. Now let's lift this arm. Give me 1 second. You may have to wiggle and jiggle this thing. It's been sitting here a while. It's probably got sawdust in it. It's packed in the dirt. There we go. Slide that in. Mason, put your pin back in. It don't matter from either side. There you go. Got that in, bud. Oh, is that hard? I don't. Oh, let me help you. All right. Now what we're going to want to do is bring you around this side. Oh, kind of tight under the mill. But you see this hook right here? Make sure we got that. Okay, there's a hook right there. It chains on the bottom. And we're going to pick this up. Mason's going to hook that in there. Look, come around from the back side like that. Oh. Hold on, bud. Hold on. That's a little snug. There we go. We got that in. secures your arms up and out of the way. And then your lifting arms, if you're going down the road, this definitely has to be done. This chain right here Mason has is connected to the cutting deck. You hook them on there, hit a big bump, run off the road, keeps it from flying open. Make sure you're lifting, I say you're lifting arms, make sure your log stops are up. They're down, you're gonna catch them, you're gonna break them off. Now we're gonna get you set up, put you in a little time lapse because we have to lift all these jacks up, and once you get the weight off of them, you're gonna pull this pin right here and rotate that jack up to be horizontal, parallel with the ground, and that'll get those out of the way. All right, you can see right here how them jacks fold up parallel to the ground, pulled in all the way, pins in, secure. Do one little final walk around and see. Make sure your hydraulic lines, there's no tie wraps broke or anything hung up like that. All these look good, which all I'm doing is pulling it out of the sawmill shed so I can clean this mess up. I ain't been fortunate enough yet to get my concrete in to where I can just blow it off. Here's one thing that I've caught doing a walk around. Make sure your control station is pinned and secure, because that will do a lot of flopping around going down the road. What's wrong, man? Get some muscles. Hammer it in with that hard head you got. Huh?
Oh, that'd be funny.
Golly. But get this pinned and secured, and I think we're ready to move it on ahead. You can see my sawdust is built up pretty good, which I clean it all the time with the tractor bucket because it will get stacked up as tall as the energy chain. You can see all the bark. This is what I got to clean out of there. We're gonna get this thing pulled out of this sawmill shed, maybe hook the box blade up and pull all this mess out of here, clean it up. So if y'all's ever wondering how a Timberking 2020 is packed up, that's how it's done. Very easy, doesn't take a whole lot of time. Very mobile mill. I really like it. Well, look here. Thank y'all for stopping by and checking us out. And please like and subscribe. Really helps the channel out. And remember, y'all come back, you hear?